Hi there, I'm Kenji. I'm from Japan, but I moved here to Brazil as a part of the Great Retreat. That's when a lot of us left the twin, the digital copy of the real world where most people live, including my dad. I came here inspired by my grandfather because he made furniture in the real world, and that's what I'm learning to do now, face to face, at a real school. Funny thing is, some people in the twin found out about my work. They sent somebody to make 3D scans of my furniture. Got a little money off of it. Used it to make more furniture for our school. I think they're actually making a ton more money in the virtual world for my art. But that's okay. It's kind of satisfying to know maybe my dad might see our furniture in the twin.
Technology overturning, but humanity returning. Learning together, together learning. Learning together, together learning. Classroom walls to the virtual fields, we share the knowledge that the future yields. Experts lead, but we all teach with